Prezi Collaborative Digital Tool, LTDE 5302, Group 2. Christy Hughes, Denise Samaricone, and Cindy Scott. Getting to know Prezi. Prezi is a cloud-based virtual presentation software that is visually compelling. It is Zoom user interface, blank canvas with paint versus slides, 3D versus linear, user-friendly format is creative and highly graphic, and it's engaging and fun, as you can see to the video on the right. Creating a Prezi account. Go to www.prezi.com, create a login or sign-in with an existing Google account. You have the choice of free or premium options, and you can design it for you, business, educator, or students. Important Prezi features: brings presentations to life, has a collection of templates, there are audio files to listen to narration with visuals, the ability to rotate text, and to group and manipulate multiple items of content, and it offers fade-in animation. Applications for instructional settings. Prezi can be used in instructional settings by both teachers and students. For teachers, they can introduce themselves, novel, skill, or term, flipping classrooms from traditional to direct instruction, providing study guides, and facilitating online learning. For students, they can be able to do book talks, projects, as well as collaborate on group work. Through the videos below, you can see that in action. Additional details regarding Prezi use. Advantages: ability to create a broadcast-like experience, ability to put content right alongside teachers on the screen, provide a human connection with online learning. Disadvantages: the zooming can be disorienting. There is no spell checker for your students, and children have access to all public Prezi files while exploring. These are the citations that we used. We hope that you enjoyed our presentation.